Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to uninstall or delete Hotstar app. Method 1. Go to apps, select this apps tab, then go down, then from this list select Hotstar app, then press and hold OK button on the remote, go to view details, then select uninstall. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go down, select apps, go down, select see all apps, then here you can see list of all apps installed in this device. From this list select Hotstar. Here you can see uninstall, select uninstall, select OK. Done, deleted. This is a method 2. So these are two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.